Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so start by opening the Apps page in Shopify. Once on Apps, scan the list and identify the app you plan to remove. Check its billing cycle so you avoid unexpected charges. If this is a subscription app, make sure you're the account owner or have permission to manage apps. Pause to note any custom data or settings you need to export before removal. Now, click the app entry to open its details. That's the first actionable step toward unsubscribing. Once you're in the app details, find Manage Billing or the three-dot menu and select Cancel or Uninstall. You'll see confirmation prompts. Read them and confirm the cancellation so Shopify stops the subscription at the next billing date. Make sure to record the cancellation date and any confirmation number. If the app billed through an external provider, follow their link or instructions to stop external charges. If you see a pending charge after uninstalling, contact the developer immediately. You've uninstalled the app, so verify it no longer appears in the apps list and check your billing for the last billed date. Once removed, inspect your theme code and remove leftover scripts or snippets the app added so performance and analytics stay clean. Make sure any exported data is stored securely. If the app still shows active billing or storefront remnants, contact Shopify support and the app developer. Include screenshots, billing details, and the cancellation confirmation to resolve the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.